Today we will make experiment with the three different white peat moss types, or you can say sizes or fractions. Our main idea of the experiment is to prove that different peat types has different water absorption capacity. So for this experiment we have chosen the three different types. One is 0.40 millimeters. You can see that basically peat type is very fine. We have also more coarse parts, but as it is 0.40 millimeters, main structure is fine. Second sample is peat fibers, white peat moss fibers. They come from 40 till 100 millimeters. As you see, material is much coarser. Structure is completely different. And third sample is white peat moss 20 till 40 millimeters. So this is something between peat fibers and 0.40, but of course it is much coarser, as here you can find only parts from 20 till 40 millimeters. Here huge part is fine, and mostly parts are fine as it comes from 0 till 40 millimeters. So basically main idea is that peat moss moisture as a parameter in specification isn't the most important, as even for example peat fibers with the higher moisture in specification can be much more efficient than 0.40 millimeters, even if 0.40 millimeters moisture is lower. So as you also can see, plastic tar, we have chosen three equal plastic tars. Each of plastic tar weight was 513 grams, and we have added 400 grams of each peat moss. As you can see, the left one, peat fibers, 400 grams, are almost 2 times more than 0.40. Of course, it is because of the structure. So, how we will perform experiment? We will add to each of this equal weight of peat moss 1 liter of water, and then we will see how it will react with the peat moss. So here we have 1 liter of water. So we will add it to first to 20-40 millimeter. So let's do it. So Then we add 1 liter of water to 0.40 millimeter peat moss, which you have in stock at this moment. And third example. Again, 1 liter, as we can see. Now we will add this 1 liter water to peat fibers. This is how it looks. We will store it for some 10 minutes, and then we will add another liter of water. But also now we can see that in peat fiber case, water is on the bottom, so water isn't so absorbed by the fiber. Fiber has very coarse structure, but water is standing below or on the bottom of the plastic tara. So basically it means that in poultry farms, like using wood shavings or wood chips, water will also be under the bedding material. So maybe it will look like it is dry, but actually water will be under the bedding material. Of course, it is important because chickens are above the bedding material, so bedding material should be dry above. Maybe it can be more wet under, but it's not a problem. But here we can see that mostly all water is absorbed by peat moss. Also 2040, the same situation as peat fibers. Water is under the bedding material. It is under. You can see here water is here. It's like one big